trying to chase a love that slipped into the night. You were dancing with the daylight, walking out of reach, while I was building castles on a fading beach.
And I tried, oh I tried to keep the fire from the rain, but some waves wash away what the heart can't contain. Still I'd give one more sunrise just to hear you say my name.
Cause I gave you my heart when the nights fell on. You carried it soft like you weren't sure it belonged. Now we're caught in the echoes of what we used to be. You're moving on and I'm learning to breathe. You just wanna live the life that's calling you ahead, and I'm here trying to rise from the words we never said. Maybe love is a lesson that we had to set free. You're moving on and I'm learning to breathe.
To let you stumble, reaching out for me, but I couldn't hold a future where I wasn't meant to be. You were dreaming in a place where my heart felt tight, so I hid the truth in silence just to keep your peace alive. I didn't want to hurt you, but the truth kept tugging me apart. I just needed time to listen to the rhythm in my heart, cause you gave me your love when the nights fell long, and I held it unsure if my heart was strong. Now we're caught in the echoes of what we used to be. I'm moving on and you're learning to breathe.